Okay, so guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to record your screen for free using this AI. And this AI, I bet you a lot of you people don't even know that this big tree, this AI video generator that is competing with InVideo can record your screen for free. You don't need to pay a dime to use this thing right now. So you can this is Picktree, that's the name, but I'm going to put a link down below this video so you can click that link, then come use this AI software for free. You don't even have to install it, you don't have to do anything right now. You can just use this for 100% for free. So once you click the link in my video right now, it's going to bring you um to this website where you see Picktree, and you're just going to sign up right here. So once you sign up, this is what you're going to see. You can see my name right here too. Just ignore all of this one. I'm still going to be doing video on all of this one, how you can use all these ones for free. But what we are here to use is this one that said record right here. So you can see this one that is saying record is what we need right now. So all you just need to do, you can see this lady is recording right now, and you can use this in multiple ways. So let's click on, you can see record yourself or your screen and easily edit that video using text to add caption and branding, remove filter word and silence, and to generate dozens of short highlighted clip. Man, guys, this is awesome, and I bet you're gonna really like this. So just click on this record right here. So once you click on record right here, so it's asking you, it said, do you want to record your webcam? Like maybe you want to record, you just want to record your face alone. Like you want to record your face, you're talking. You can see just like what this lady here, the video will just wash your hand, just like what this lady here is doing right now. You can see that's the webcam. You can see she's not showing her screen, she's just recording herself. That's the webcam. Then this one, the screen and the webcam, it means the one that as she's showing her face, she's also going to be showing her screen, just like me I'm doing right now, that I'm showing my screen without my face. Yeah, so that's what this middle one is about. So you'll be showing your face will be below here, then you'll be showing people what you are doing on the screen, which is what I'm doing. But this is the one that I'm using right now, screen only. That's the one I'm using right now. You can see it just basically just capture all my screen. Just capture all my screen without limit. You see, it's showing you everything on my screen right here. So that's what you see. So all you just need to do right now is to click on proceed right here. So once you click on this proceed button right now, it might not let me record though, because I'm already recording I'm already using it to record already with another. Yes, so you can see this is what he's asking me right now. Is this what he's going to ask you? Use your camera. I say allow while visiting this site. Allow this time only. Never allow. So all you just need to do right now is to click on allow while visiting this site right here. As you can see screen and webcam. That's not what we're using right now. You can see here is coming up again. You want to have access to your microphone so you can be able to take your sound. So you click on that microphone right there. Then here is going to bring all your tab, your Chrome tab. So it's asking you right now. It says choose what to share with app.p3.ai. The site will be able to see the content of your screen. So it's just letting you know that it's going to be, so you can click any of this thing if you want to pick whichever page of your screen you want to. You can pick any of it right now. But if you want to click, if you want the window, um, if you want it to record the full window, like the full window of the site alone, you can click this one. And if you want it to record the entire screen, let's close this right now. If you want it to record the entire screen, which is the one I'm using right now, just click on entire screen. That's entire screen. So it's going to be recording your whole screen. But here it's going to record just what the part that you choose for it to record. So me, I'm using entire screen. I love to use entire screen. So you just click on this again, click on it so you can see it has highlighted it right now. So once it highlights it, then you just click on share right now. So once you click on this share right now, it's going to start recording. So this might stop my recording though, I don't know. but let's just give it a try. So just click on this share right now. So this is going to start recording. You can see I put on my camera, so this is actually taking my face. This is recording my face. You can see this is why I don't want to record my face on the other one. So this is recording my face right now on this camera. So basically, this is how you do it. This is how you do this thing that I'm showing you right now. So guys, this is as simple as that. You can decide to, you can pause this, you can retake this video, you can restart. Restart means retake means restart. You can stop the video right here. You can then also click here to stop sharing video right here. So this is so simple and so easy to do right now, guys. So let me know what you think about this picture AI free screen recording right now, man. When I just found this right now, and I'm like, I have to do this video right now and show you people this great video screen recording video right now. So guys, I'll see you guys on the next one, man. Peace, and I'm out.